Let's dive into division. Hey Math Explorers, if you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start our division adventure. We look at the first digit of 110, which is 1. We don't have a digit to carry over, so we'll use the 1 as our first partial dividend. Now we ask ourselves, how many times does 2 fit into 1? It doesn't fit, so we write a 0 in the quotient. Let's check 0 times 2 is 0, that's right. We subtract 0 from 1, which leaves us with 1. That's our remainder for this step. You're doing awesome, don't worry if it seems tricky, we're just getting started. Now let's bring down the next digit to make a new number. Great job with the first step, now for step 2. We bring down the next digit 1 next to our remainder 1. Now we have 11 to work with. Okay, mathletes, how many times does 2 go into 11? Think of your 2's times tables, it's 5. Let's multiply 5 times 2 equals 10, perfect. Now we subtract 10 from 11, what do we get? Yes, it's 1. Woohoo, you're crushing it, just one more step to go. Let's bring down the last digit to make our final number. Last step, here we go. We bring down the final digit 0 next to our remainder 1. Now we have 10. How many times does 2 fit into 10? Shout it out, it's 5. Let's check 5 times 2 is exactly 10. Nice work. Subtract 10 from 10. What's left? 0. We have no remainder. You did it. You're amazing at long division. We've reached the end of our problem. The final answer is 55. So 110 divided by 2 is 55. Great job, everyone! We tackled 110 divided by 2 together, step by step. Remember, long division is just a way to share numbers fairly, and with a little practice, you'll be a math whiz in no time. Keep practicing and exploring with more fun videos on Let's Stud. See you next time, math adventurers.